I need an angel to save me from myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing alright. Like seriously, I hope you guys are doing alright, because I am doing okay too. If you are new here and if this is your first time coming across my channel, my video, me in person, or you from my social media outlets, or what have you, like, thank you guys for tuning in. Like, thank you guys. So guys, I'm gonna be talking about my five best foundation. Hold on a minute, there's no foundation here, but anyway, if you're looking for my 5 best foundation, what will I say, go check out my previous video. So guys, I am going to be talking about my 5 best loose setting powders for baking underneath the eyes or all over the face for any skin type. You guys know already, I am of a dry skin person, so these powders work best for me, and I believe it can work for you, or maybe not, but literally, what can you lose? So if you're for brown skin girl, chocolate skin, you know, in between those skin like, and you're looking for what kind of powder you want to use to set underneath your eyes, which is possibly your concealer, or all over your face, which sometimes I do, or if you like Patrick Star, which sometimes it does. I am not going to be doing my favorites and my least, or my 1 to 5. I'm just gonna say it as it comes. So my number 1 powder for women of color or dark skin girls, like say loose powder for even any type of skin, is the Colourpop no filter setting powder. Yes, and this shade I have is in banana. They do have translucent if you're wanting those things. So the reason why I kind of put banana in this video is because, like, come on, we brown skin girls or dark skin girls, we do want something that will give us a bit of intercolor, not just like plain white, but like color. Like, for example, you are baking underneath your eyes and you really want to bring that to the yellow tone in your skin, but not so much make your skin look cool or dry or white or pale. Me personally, immediately I bake underneath my eyes, I literally go over my face as well. That is because to suck up the oil from my foundation or contour, so to make everything look a bit like matte, but not so matte, but just to like set my face in total. So that's why I'm recommending this one. So this is not my favorite powder to say, but this is just one of those powder any woman of color can use, affordable powder, because this is roughly about $9, so I think every woman can be able to afford this. The powder is good to say, and it might make you a little bit patchy, a little bit, maybe because if you bake properly, or if you apply your concealer properly or blend properly, so you would have to deal with the patchiness in terms of baking or setting. That's the only issues I have with this powder. Yeah, my number 2 powder, setting loose powder to bake the face underneath the eyes for like women of color, dark skin girls, or anybody in general with combination skin, oily skin, or dry skin person. This is the Airspun loose powder. Wait, am I saying the name correctly? Yeah, Airspun loose powder. I got mine from Amazon, so I believe you can get anywhere from any retail store across to you. So, but if you can't, you can Google it on Amazon. You can get this powder, and again, this powder was recommended by Patrick Star because he uses it to bake all over his face, and I love it. I still can't remember any of the video I watched from, but I think it does. Is the one that recommended this powder, but if I'm wrong, please leave your comment below. So my personal thought towards this powder is that initially I don't like the smell. It smells like a baby powder, like, you know, like a newborn baby powder, this kind of thing, and I feel like I am applying a talc powder to my face, yeah, with that smell. so it kind of put me off. But again, after I tried it, it does really work. Like, I loved it. Like, if I want to have a highlighter like face, full finished beach face, like flawless look, I'm still gonna go use my normal loose powder to bake, but I will use this powder on top because this gives me the flawless airbrush finished look. Honestly, I'm not joking. Like, it just makes me feel different, and it's very smooth powder, so it smooths out your makeup. But again, the smell is a thing to me. So if it's not a thing to you, I think this powder is great for probably any women of color out there, like I say, any skin type. Yeah, this is the translucent powder. I believe it comes with different shade as well. So yeah, this is my number 2 powder. Number 2. So my number 3 powder for like dark skin girls or women of color, any combination skin, and the powder to set underneath your eyes, which is your concealer, or your face. Really, I don't really have problem with any powder I put on it. If I can put a powder just to bake underneath my eyes, sure, I can put it all over my face. That is my whole idea. Anyway, this is the original RCMA no color powder. Guys, I believe people do get this powder wrong because it's of a 2 type. There's a normal translucent powder for RCMA, but the one you need is the no color powder from RCMA, and this powder is great for any skin type, like from the pale to the darkest to the charcoal or to the chocolate brown. Like I said, anyone. I believe people do say like, oh, it makes them too dry, it makes them too white. I have used it for a long time. This powder really does last. Like, I think I've had this powder going to 2 years now, and this is still here. You can say I don't wear makeup often, so yeah, the powder's not gonna finish. Yeah, but at least I do bake all the time whenever I apply my makeup, so the deal is it lasts longer. So you be afraid because it's white, but remind you it's translucent. That's why it said no color. So meaning when you bake on it, you have, because our concealer does not really come out to be white unless if you're of a pale skin. Our concealer is either of a golden, yellow, warm, or the two, or like kind of like a milky chocolate cappuccino caramel kind of concealer for women of color. Yeah, and if you want to bake your skin and you think, oh, why will you put a white powder there, you're gonna go white, or you're gonna look like flashback, you know, ashiness kind of white thing. No, this powder is no joke. It's not for that at all. That's why it specifically said no color powder, because it does not show no color, it does not show the color white. So this powder is actually translucent, but it looks white, so it's translucent. So when you bake on your eyes, it's not going to give you a white baked face. It's going to melt into your concealer, and that your concealer is going to form as if that is your shade powder. So that will give you your highlighted powder bakeness of this no color, so it's not going to look like white. So this is why I love it. Like, if you want to talk about my favorite, I can say this is my number 2 favorite powder to ever use. So it's good, it's really good. Like, it's affordable. It's like £12. I got mine from Beauty Bay. I don't know, you can get yours from even like Amazon. Can you believe Amazon is $1 trillion? What now? So anything you want, you get it on Amazon, or better still, you go to your realtor store to get it. So this is my number 3 best powder for any skin type, or dark skin person, dark girls with any type of skin color or skin. So my number 4 best loose powder for women of color or dark skin girls, you know, any type of skin type. This is the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I believe when I started doing makeup, this was the second powder to ever purchase. I think the first powder I ever purchased was the banana powder. Yeah, so this was the second powder, and I've had this powder for over 3 years now. But mind you, this is the second powder I'm using. When I purchased this powder, I bought it in 2, and obviously products do get expired, but when it comes to some products, there's some I can't even see or talk. Products do get expired when it comes to some products. It's just like in food, we have perishable items and not perishable items. Like the not perishable items are such as your rice, your flour, you know, that do last like a long time. So in terms of makeup, this is not a foundation because foundation is liquid. This is a dry product. It's a powder. So it's definitely have the lifespan to last way over of those of foundation and lipstick and what have you. So that's probably why I had it for like more than 2 years. Okay, so coming back to this powder now, this powder is just yellow, completely yellow, and they don't have like a translucent, a white, a grey, a beige color. It's just one single loose powder from Sacha Buttercup, and it's just yellow. I believe the term or the idea of this powder is like to serve the dark skin girls that, like I said before, not everybody wants to have a light white like baked on the eye, you know, translucent on the eye. A lot of girls want to have a hint of yellow on the heart. This powder does not completely go yellow on your face, just like I said, like the other powder will not completely go white. So this is just, the color is yellow, but it's just gonna give it a little bit of yellow underneath your eyes, but it's a beautiful, gorgeous baked yellow. Anyway, so this powder is good for dark skin girls mostly. I can't say women of like white people can apply this powder, because clearly you see this wall and this powder, they're two different colors. It's affordable, you can get it anywhere, eBay, Amazon, name all the retail store. You can also get it on their website. And yes, so this is my best setting powder. So this is my number 4. So my top 5 best loose powder. This is my number 5 now. Loose powder to bake underneath your eyes for dark skin girls, women of color, or any skin type. This is my, now I can say favorite. This is my favorite powder. You all know that I'm definitely gonna feature it. Yeah, this is the Laura Mercier translucent setty loose powder. This powder is my 3rd ever powder to purchase after the Sacha Buttercup, and I've been using this powder for a really long time. Like, I love it, like it's my favorite. I am of a dry skin girl, and when I use it, it's beautiful. It makes my under eye flawless. It does not make my under eyes crease. Like it actually sets it properly, like smooth fine lines. Like most people say that this powder make them too dry. This powder is good for me. So if it's making you dry, don't use it. Stop using it. Get something else. Get whatever I said earlier on. So anyway, so this is my top best 5 powders that I think is good for any skin type. Again, this powder is not white, it's not yellow, it's not creamy. It's actually a beige translucent powder. So really, this powder, like I bake my whole face with it. When I apply this powder to my under eye, it's gonna set it and go dry, but the rest of the face, where you have the foundation, your contour, they're gonna see comes a bit creamy, because those are not set. There's a difference between a setting powder and a loose powder. And setting powder is a powder which is in a compact form, like a molded powder. It's already set, so you use it to touch up your face. A loose powder is just a loose powder. It's not set, it's not in a compact, it's just particles of powder that you can't count, you can't see. So that is different. At the end of the day, both is still a setting powder. One is just loose and one is just setting. This powder is good for dry skin girls, oily skin girls, women of color, combination skin, light skin, medium skin, like white people, everything. This powder is really good. And if you think it makes your skin too drying, You can walk around with it and use something else, or don't bake for too long. I believe reason why people feel like their underneath hair is drying based on foam powder is because they bake too long. And this powder comes in two other shades. So this is translucent. It comes with a dark skin powder, which is brown for our chocolate girls, for like proper women of color powder. That powder, even me myself, my skin cannot use it because it's really brown. So that is to tell you that we women of color, our ranges and our shade are so broad that I don't know, I'm nowhere close to that. Really, if you want good thing to work on your skin, you need to spend more money to get the good things. So you can get this on your store. I don't think you get it on Amazon. If you mostly do get it on all those other outlets, it could be expensive or it could be the fake one. It's 50-50, but the best thing is to go to the store direct to get all of these products. And everything I said on this video, I am going to put in the link down below, so guys go check it out and do your picks. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I am so grateful. If you like anything I said, or if I made your quest or request better, like, please leave your comment below. Of like, if you think whatever I said you find easy and good, please leave your comment below, because why not? And tell me which one is your favorite powder, which one you have tried, or which one you yet to try, or which one you think you're about to try. Leave your comment below on what you think. And guys, support me by liking this video and giving it a thumbs up, like slap a like on it. And also guys, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell icon and come back for more videos, guys. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, guys, please check it out on my next exit oh god. And until then guys, if you want to watch my previous video, you can either catch it up in the link right here, or you can check my previous video out on my outro. And until then guys, I am going to be seeing you on my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, oh well. Peace.